Hello everyone, welcome to Environment Tak family. Red rain in Kerala was a phenomenon observed sporadically from 25 July to 23 September 2001 in southern Indian state of Kerala. Heavy downpours occurred in which the rain was primarily red, staining clothes and appearing like blood. Yellow, green and black rains were also reported. It was initially suspected that the rains were colored by fallout from a hypothetical meteor burst, but the Government of India commissioned a study which found the rain had been colored by spores from a locally prolific aerial algae. Then, in early 2006, the colored rain of Kerala suddenly rose to worldwide attention after media reports of a conjecture that the colored particles are extraterrestrial cells, proposed by Godfrey Lewis and Santosh Kumar of the Mahatma Gandhi University in Kottayam. According to locals, the first colored rain was preceded by a loud thunderclap and flash of light, and followed by groups of trees shedding shriveled grey, burnt leaves. Shriveled leaves and the disappearance and sudden formation of wells were also reported around the same time in the area. The coloration of the rain was due to red particles in suspension in the rainwater, and when it fell, the red rain was at times as strongly colored as blood. It typically fell over small areas no more than a few square kilometers in size, and was sometimes so localized that normal rain could be falling just a few meters away from red rain. Red rainfall typically lasted less than 20 minutes. Tropical Botanical Garden and Research Institute (TBGRI) released a report which concluded that Kerala's rains were colored by algae spores, which were successfully grown in medium into lichen-forming algae of the Trentifolia genus. This algae was found to be associated with lichen in the trees in Changanacheri areas, where the report also stated that there was no dust of meteoric, volcanic or desert origin present in the rainwater, and that the color of the rainwater was not due to any dissolved gases or pollutants. The report suggested that heavy rain in Kerala in the week preceding the red rains could have caused the widespread growth of lichen, which had given rise to a large quantity of spores in the atmosphere. However, it found no definite mechanism for the apparent extraordinary dispersal of the suspect spores, nor for the uptake of the suspect spore into clouds. Lewis and Kumar further suggest that the particles are cells and thus represent evidence of extraterrestrial life. If the particles are biological in nature and did originate in a comet, it would be the first evidence in favor of the theory of panspermia, in which life on Earth is proposed to have been carried here from elsewhere in the universe.